Now, even though I don't expect much to come from it, I always want to troll a bait when I'm going to my destination. I control it slow. I'm still not going to get hung up too bad on the bottom, even if there's some shell. I'm going to go ahead and troll this bait. Okay, so I didn't have any luck on my first troll to my initial fishing spot, but that doesn't mean that you should not troll a bait behind you. In fact, later in this video, you'll see why. Of course, right when I turn the camera off, I throw a bait right to him, and he bites right when it hits the water. But never mind. One thing I've noticed right off the bat is the fish are nice. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, you never, man, these flounder are aggressive. You never want to bring a flounder above the water when you're trying to net him because he'll shake out. So you want the net under the water. Right, not huge, but he's nice. Man, I wish I had my cooler with me. This is some good eating right here. I think it's sacrilege in South Louisiana to catch a flounder like this and not keep him, but we're going to throw him back. Yeah, he's a little over 18. That's not bad for you. Relieving myself. My line was still out with the trolling. Pick it up, jerk it a little bit around, and there you go. But here I am trying to adjust this camera angle so it looks a little better. Mr. Southern Flounder decides to make another appearance. Oh man, these are nice too. Look at the bat. I bet I can shake them off. Oh, stop it. Cutting up my line. Normally I would tie a Palomar knot if I was using regular mono or something. With fluoro, I really don't like to do that, so I use an improved clinch knot. So it's really simple. Go through, twist it 5 times, depends, 4 or 5 times. 4 or 5. Come back through the initial loop that you made, and that makes another loop right here, and you're going to go back through that loop, wet it down, cinch it up. I use my thumb to kind of push that knot down as it tightens, that way it's not going to slip. It's just easier, it doesn't burn the line as much when you're cinching down. So I'm going to nice and close. Might even be able to salvage my soft plastic. Nope, he chewed it up pretty good. Okay, so at this point the wind had really picked up and I tried to find a spot on the ship channel that was kind of tucked out of the wind. Only problem was the bite was pretty slow where I was, so I figured I had stuff to do at home and it wasn't any fun getting thrown around in the washing machine, so I figured that it was time to go home. I don't even know if you can hear me. I guess now is as good a time as any to apologize for the absolutely terrible audio. I do have a solution in mind, but go ahead and pay attention. Even in this windy weather right here, I do have a bait out, and check out what happens. Oh, now would you believe it, in this windy mess right here, I got a pretty good spec. It might just be, he's not that big, and it's the waves that are pulling him back. Feels like he's really better. See? Yeah. Trolling pays off. That on this guy.
especially for up here this time of year. Oh no. Try to put my anchor out. Woo. Oh, it's a little redfish. Well, there is the inshore slam today, as far as Louisiana is concerned. Flounder, trout, and a redfish. Gonna happen again. I thought that I picked up an oyster shell, another flounder. All right, so safe to say that the flounder are back from the Gulf and their spawn, because I haven't caught a flounder up here in months. I've caught more of those than anything in the past couple days. So I'm going to come back out here and do a flounder trip pretty soon. So be looking for that. Here is yet another fish I picked up going back to the launch. Feels like a flounder the way he's pulling down. Small one. Might surprise me. I always take a little run. Oh no, it's a nice little speck. It's literally about 16 inches. Bloody water speck of trout.
Okay, so what did we learn today? If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. Always have a bait trolling behind you, whether you're headed to your first spot or you're coming back to the launch, and all spots in between. You just never know what you could pick up. It's not the most exciting way to fish, but it could make the difference between filling the box or not. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Well, if you're feeling way down low, tune into the Kris Harper Show. Everything's gonna fall right into place.